Dear student, welcome to my channel Sanam Tutorial. Today we will discuss about some question class 5 chapter 1, that is number system. Okay, first of all you pause the video, then try the questions yourself, then check the answer. Understand? Then go to the first question, that is add 1 to greatest 7 digit number. Means we know that greatest 7 digit number means 7999394567. 1 add कर दबा means 100. The option is second. The correct option is option number 2, that is how much in Indian system, that is 1 crore. Next question, what is the smallest 9 digit number? Smallest 9 digit number means 1 with 8 0. Check कर दियो 33628. The correct option is option number C, that is 10 crore. Next question, add 10 to smallest 8 digit number. Then smallest 8 digit number is 1 crore, then 1 crore 10. The correct option is option number 1 crore 10. Next question, what is the largest 9 digit number? Largest 9 digit number is 99 crore 99 lakh. Which one? The option number C, 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Go to the next question, which number is 1000 less than 1 crore? Okay, 1000 less than means 1000 minus कर दो 1000 0 0 0 0 1 means 9. देखिए 9000 9000 9000. Option number D. Next question, 6 crore 7 lakh 54,032. Which one is correct? देखिए 60 crore. 60 crore means first 3 तापर 2 तापर 2 means first one is, second is 3 2 2. The correct option is option number 1. Next question, mark which one is correct. Okay, first 3, after 3 number then comma, then 2, then 2 means 99 crore 99 lakh 99,099. No, 99 crore 99 lakh 999. Option number 2, 99 crore 99 lakh 99,000. Sorry, 1000 is missing. Next, 99 crore 99 lakh 99,909. The correct option is option number C. Next question, how many zeros are present in 1 crore? 1 crore means 70. देखिए दबा 1 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. फास्ट होगी 3 टा पर कमा, next 2 1 crore. This is ones, this is thousand, this is lakh, this is crore. Okay, this is period. आपको कौन दी ना period कौन दी. Next, how many zeros are present in smallest 9 digit number? Smallest 9 digit number means 8 0. The correct option is option number B, 8 0. Next, counting by hundreds, write the number from 23 crore 80,000. Combo now first 23 crore 80,000. 1 2 3 1 means 2 ରୁ 9 पर्यंत जाइए ओके 200 पर 300 देखो 300 को लिखा है 1 3 ओके इटा 300 400 5 6 7 800 the correct option is option number 1 that is A ठीक अच्छे तो फर्स्ट 3 तापरे 2 तापरे 2 हाँ 23 अच्छे okay next question complete okay so try these questions and mark yourselves then 1 2 3 4 5 10 out of 10 you score dash okay thank you